guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fake being a mannequin on Dress to Impress. This is just like a fun prank, I don't know. So go here and you're going to adjust the color of your skin to black. If it's too, I think it is just the black color here. If it's too black, just adjust the skin again. Oh, okay. I'm just trying to see like the precise color for it. I think it's a little bit too black, so I'm just going to go back and I'm going to change it to a little bit of a grayish tone here. Maybe like this. Just adjust it. Then you're going to hide your name as well, and then you're going to grab an outfit and just let me just go down here. I'm just going to get the Lana dress. And then I'll go back up. You can also do like a combo. Okay, interesting. And to pose, you can go to the kawaii one and get the blossom one because it's like still, but like it's a warning because like the pose is different from all of the rest of the mannequins. From the rest of the mannequins, that's what I meant. Change the color of your nails as well. And just pose in this area because there's no mannequins. And just pose. Well, just try to pose here. It is a little bit hard to do. Me trying so hard. But yeah, that is it. You're just going to pose, and sometimes people will think you're a mannequin. Sometimes people won't think you're a mannequin. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.